Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. I'm going to talk about safe score in prelims. कितना स्कोर prelims में टारगेट करने से आपका prelims safely clear हो जाएगा. We are talking about SO Law Exam 2024. In prelims, you have three sections: English language, reasoning and general awareness. English language के 50 questions 25 marks के हैं. English language की weightage कम है. For reasoning and general awareness, each has 50 questions of 50 marks. हर सेक्शन के लिए आपको 40 मिनट्स दिए हुए हैं. पूरा पेपर 2 आवर्स का है. The maximum marks are 125. Here, in order to understand the safe score, you should also rely on the previous year cutoffs. These have been the cutoffs over the past 6 years. अगर आप यहाँ देखेंगे, maximum cutoff has gone to 52.63 and section wise cutoff अगर आप देखेंगे, maximum in English has gone to 10.5, in reasoning it has gone to 14, and in general awareness it has gone to 8.75. But when you're targeting score and attempting mock test, try to score as much as possible. So I will suggest for the overall cutoff, try to get at least 50% marks. Out of 125, target somewhere between 60 to 65. In English also targets 50%, even more, because you have to score somewhere to reach that overall cutoff. In English, target somewhere 15 to 18 if you are good in English. In reasoning, you can target somewhere 18 to 20, and same goes for general awareness, 18 to 20. But somewhere you will also have to score more. So you can play on your strengths and accordingly prepare for that subject more in which you are targeting more score so that you can reach the overall cutoff. Last year the cutoff was very less. It was hardly 35.63. The cutoff may even go less this year. But let's be prepared for an easy paper. Let's be prepared for the high competition. And let's accordingly target the score in mock test. To understand where you stand at an all India level, you can also join the scholarship test that we are conducting today. The test is starting from 12 p.m. and will last up to 11:59 midnight. So the test is available for 12 hours. The registrations are open. Even though the registrations were till 17th of September, you can still choose to join. You can fill the registration form, apply there, and you can appear for the scholarship test and see how much you are prepared. You can test your score vis-a-vis the various candidates who are going to appear in this scholarship test. The top 5 candidates will get 75% scholarship, rank 6 to 20 will get 65%, rank 20 to 40 55%, and rank 41 to 100 will get 50% scholarship. So there are very good scholarships available. Even if you are not looking for scholarship, attempt the scholarship test to see where you stand, to see what you are scoring right now, and how you can reach to the target score of 60 to 65 overall and the various sectional target scores that I have told you. If you have any queries, any doubts, you can write them down in the comment below. Enroll with iExamB and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.